Got this tractor at a scrapyard. It's a Yard Machines, has a 14 horsepower engine on it, Brake and Stratton, of course. But I feel like making a full video, so I'm going to. This tractor is in decent shape. Seat has a small rip in it. Has 4 good tires. One of them, when I got it, wasn't good, but I stuck this one on for now. But I'm gonna be trying to get this thing running. But the first problem we're having is this guard is bent down into this flywheel shroud. So what I did is I got a new flywheel, I got a new shroud, top cover shroud with a dipstick, because it is missing a dipstick too. The battery wires are cut off, so what I'm gonna be doing is putting new terminals on. I got some of them. These are expensive, by the way. But what's weird about this tractor is it has a clutch-free transmission, which I have never seen before, but whatever. Yeah, let's start working on this thing. Somebody's definitely been in here before, because there's a Phillips head screw there, and the other one is missing. So I'm going to be replacing them. But top cover should come off now. It's kind of hard doing it one-handed. Oh, no, there's still a Phillips screw there. Okay. Change of plans. This screw does not want to come out at all. But I just bent this up here, and it turns free now. But there's no oil in this, so I'm going to put some used oil in for now. And the next thing we're going to be doing is putting some battery terminals on, putting a battery in it, and see if we get to turn over and start. It's starting to get dark. I don't have any oil. I don't have any gas either. And I need the battery bolt that's smaller than this to go in here, put the battery terminals on, put the battery in. But this looks like a tomorrow project to me. So, see you tomorrow. So, it is the next day. Well, actually about a couple days now. But put a battery bolt on it, put the strap on, and I had to put a little bit extra oil on it. I don't put any gas in it yet because I want to see if it turns over. So the starter turns, but the gear is not spinning. So see what's wrong with that. Here's a better view of what's happening. The gear is just not going up like it should, which I'm not really sure why that's not doing that. See, the gear's up like this now. All those spin like that. So I'm gonna try to put another starter on. I think I found out my problem. I have my negative going to positive, and my positive going to negative. Yeah, it makes sense. So we're doing the first test start. Let's see if it starts. Take it as a no. So I found out the flywheel did not have any bolts sticking to it. Or if you put a bolt up to it, it would not stick to it, the magnet part. So put your flywheel on, and now a bolt does stick to it, so we're good. I readjusted the coil, and let's see what happens if we have spark. I'd take it as a yes, and oh yeah, I did forget there's the wrong plug in here too. This is for a car, so I'm gonna put the right one in here. This is the right one, has a washer on it. And this is the next day, by the way, because I don't know why. I probably got dark yesterday. I was probably putting this together, and it got dark. But, whatever. Dropped my phone, but I still got it out. Another will it start? Probably should put her on choke, maybe. Oh yeah! I don't know why I quit, but let's see if it starts again. Whoa, what was that all about? So it doesn't want to start now. Okay, now we got even more problems, which it could have broke a flywheel key, which that's probably my best guess. And the valves ain't adjusted, so yeah, let's figure that out now. Sometimes you just get used to knowing what it is. Cause see the key way right there, and there's the key. Which of course you can't see. There we go. Sort of, but yeah, there's the keyway on the crank. Well, I guess now it doesn't want to give the carb any gas. Now it doesn't want to start. Huh. It did it again. I broke another flywheel key, and I did adjust the valves to 4 and 6, which is for this engine. So I am not seeing why this key is breaking, so now I'm making a steel flywheel key. Guess that worked. It's 8 o'clock and it's back together. So, another day. So we checked off the list of running, checked off the list of driving. Let's see if it mows now. And I'm going to find that nut that goes on top of here. Yeah. On the right wheel for it. I guess whenever I threw it off, it went off the rim. Got the starter cover on, and I found me a washer and a nut for this because I don't have any of these Acto original ones. So start it up and let's go. Deck is just up too high. You can see where it wore through the pulley did. It's just a spark, so that's okay though. I think the deck just needs to be adjusted a little bit lower. That's gonna be all for this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.